Hi everybody, it's maths time and you have got a really cute little helper today. Let's find out how our helper is going to help us learn about subtraction. Today I've got a friend that's coming to help us with our maths because she's quite good at counting. I'm going to introduce you to one of my friends now. This is Coco. Coco. She can do high fives. I know, can't believe it. Do you know 5 when we're counting? Sometimes we don't count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we need 5, we just do this. She can actually give high fives. High five. High five. And she's such a good dog. Now I've got 3 chocolate buttons in my hand. 1, 2, 3. And she's so good that she never takes any. If I say to her, don't take a chocolate button, she won't take a chocolate button. So I've got 3 chocolate buttons. Did you eat one, Coco? Did she eat a chocolate button? Oh, cut! Okay, and Coco's really well trained, so if I had chocolate buttons, she could help me count them. Coco, should we count the chocolate buttons? So we're going to count the chocolate buttons. So we've got 3 chocolate buttons. What? Coco. Coco's gone to play, guys. That wasn't very helpful, was it? Oh, okay. Let's sing the song, and she might like to listen to our song. 20, 19, 18 and 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12 and 11. Did you like the song, Coco? Did you like the song, Coco? It looks like she was shaking her head saying no. Anyway, we're going to let Coco just have a play and we're going to carry on counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 treats there. I'm just going to get our symbol. Can you draw our symbol for subtraction with your finger for me? I'll just go and get that symbol. 7 treats. Take away, how many? How many will Coco take away? Oh, she took away 2 treats. We had 7 treats. Coco took away 2 of them. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 treats. Let's try again. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 treats. Take away how many? And how many will be left? So this symbol means take away, subtract, minus. So we've got 5. How many will Coco take away? Let's see if she'll be good. Shall I call her? Can you call her? Say Coco. Coco. How many will she take this time? 1. 5 treats we had. 5. Coco took away 1 treat. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 treats. I think that's enough treats for Coco now, do you? Okay, change of plan. If Coco's insisting on eating all of the doggy treats, so I can't even count them, I think we'll have to do our work without her today. I'll show you what we need to do. This is your sheet. So if we had 5 doggy treats and Coco took away, that's our symbol for take away again there, subtraction. Coco took away, and there she is, 2 of our doggy treats. So if we had 5 and Coco took away 2, how many would we be left with? As we haven't got the real Coco to help, because she's having a drink of water now, I want you to look at this and we'll see if we can do it together. We'll do a couple together and then you can finish the rest off. Now we're going to need a bit of help, and as we haven't got the real Coco, we've got pretend Coco. Here she is. It's our Coco sock puppet. You don't have to use a sock puppet. You can just use the sock like this. It doesn't need to be decorated. You can still do grabbing hands with that, can't you? So that's absolutely fine. Just a sock will do, and you can pretend it's Coco or a different pet. You might make up your own pet name. And this Coco is going to help us with our subtraction, aren't you, Coco? Are you going to eat the treats when I'm not looking? This is a good Coco. We're also going to use something we've got around the house. I'm using these pegs today to count with because we're not going to count with our fingers today. We're going to pretend that our fingers are sausages and Coco has eaten them all. And I know that actually Coco went to one of your houses the other night and ate your sausages at tea time. So today I'm going to use pegs for my counting. You might use pom-poms or buttons. You might line up some of your cars. You might count a piece of pasta. It really doesn't matter. You can count anything. Okay, so I've got my pegs ready here. I'm just going to pop them to the side. You can perhaps put yours in a bowl just to keep them out of the way. And I've got my sheet, which you've got the same one in your folders. I've got Miss Coco there. And can you see I've got all my blue subtraction symbols there. So we know we're going to take away today. So I start off happy. I go to the shop and get some doggy treats for Coco. She takes away some. These are the ones Coco takes away. How many do I have left? I'm not very happy there, can you see? Because she's stolen her treats. So we're going to pretend that our pegs are brown, round doggy treats. Are you ready for our song? So five doggy treats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 doggy treats in the pet food shop, small and brown with crumbs on the top. Along came Coco and her belly one day stole 2 doggy treats. 1, 2, and ran away. How many doggy treats have we got left? Just 1, 2, 3. 3 left. Naughty, naughty Coco. The next day, so you put these ones back. Okay, the next day, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Are you ready for our song? 6 doggy treats in the pet food shop, small and brown with crumbs on the top. Along came Coco and her belly one day took 1 doggy treat and ran away. How many doggy treats are left? How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, remember, pop these doggy treats back in the shop. Are you ready? We've done this one, so now we're here. 4. So the first one we do is put 4 doggy treats out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you ready? 4 doggy treats in the pet food shop, small and brown with crumbs on the top. Along came Coco with her belly one day took 2 doggy treats. 1, 2, and ran away. How many doggy treats are left? 1, 2. Okay, go on to number 5 yourselves. So remember, you don't need an actual sock puppet like Coco. And to be honest, this one's falling apart a little bit. You can just use a sock, And perhaps you can set up a bit like a puppet show on a table for your parents and your brothers and sisters, or perhaps for your own doggy. And you can teach them our song, all about Coco. Coco is meant to come and help with our counting today, but she ended up subtracting. She ended up taking away, so we had fewer doggy snacks left. Let's practice our song one more time. So this time, shall I pretend we've got sausages back? We'll call them doggy treats. So let's have 3 doggy treats. Are you ready? If you want, you can pause and go and get a sock. You just put a sock on your hand and pretend it's a puppet. If you want to, perhaps you'll be allowed to decorate it later. I'll wait for you. Press pause. Hello again. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3. 3 doggy treats in the pet food shop. Small and brown with crumbs on the top. Along came Coco and her belly one day. I say belly because she's always hungry. And her belly one day stole one doggy treat and ran away. How many doggy treats are left? 1, 2. Coco. Try and do your work today. Tricky's still on the amber light. Perhaps we'll see how he's feeling tomorrow, if he's sorry or not. Shall we say goodbye to Coco? Coco wants to say goodbye, everybody. Say goodbye to the children, Coco. Bye. How cute was Coco? I don't know about you, but I like the puppet, I like the song, but I don't know if I can do this worksheet by myself. Not sure. Anyway, it's at the end of our 3 lessons, so it's time to put a sticker on our chart. It's a shame we haven't got a little doggy sticker. I'm going to go for another big one today. And it says in lots of different colours, rainbows, 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 rainbows. There it is. I'm going to stick it on Thursday. There we are. We've got 1 day of our home learning left, and then next week we're going to have a little bit of a break and then come back to our videos the week after for some more home learning. When you collect your next pack, there will definitely be chocolate inside for you. You have been fantastic. See you tomorrow.